Okay, so I had a look online for cool doorbells, and there pretty much aren't any online. Seriously, the doorbell market is looking very dull right now, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty much the only novelty one I found made Halloween noises. That wasn't enough for me, no. And I thought, wouldn't it be cool to have a doorbell that played the Super Mario theme? Okay, so how do I do that? Surely customizable doorbells that you can upload MP3 files to have to exist, right? They actually weren't as easy to find as I thought they were going to be, but thanks to the miracle of eBay, I found one and ordered it for just under $20, including postage. And it was in my hot little hands within about a week or so, as you can see. It came with a button, a receiver, and some pretty useless instructions, as well as a PowerPoint adapter. And as if it wasn't extra enough that it was going to play the Super Mario theme, I really thought it should look the part too. So I didn't go too overboard, but I did order like 32 little blocks of polymer clay that came in different colours, and some basic tools that I intend to do some maybe pottery with later. Again, with the miracle of eBay. Also, disclaimer, I did not mean to flex on you with my 20 cents. So this particular type of polymer clay you can put in the oven and it will set. So I picked out a colour that I thought would be suitable for the little question mark box in Mario. I just about broke my hands kneading it and warming it up to be able to actually mould it into the correct shape. RIP hands. I rolled it out, cut it into a square, then rinse and repeated for the white that was going to make the question mark. Put it on some baking paper, made sure there was no marks or cracks in the surface before putting it into set, and I baked it at 130 degrees Celsius in a fan-forced oven for 55 minutes. I then decided I wanted one of those little one-up mushrooms to come out of my question mark box, and I had two different colours of polymer clay that were kind of similar to the stem colour, but not quite, so I cut them into smaller measures and mixed them at a 2-to-1 ratio. Miss Wright, when are we going to use ratios in real life? When making your own custom doorbell. Duh. I picked out the other appropriate colours and BAM! A one-up mushroom appeared, which I baked the same as I did the question mark box and did some minor construction and secured it to the doorbell, and it looked like this. I also wanted to make sure the receiver was going to look the part, so I prepared a few more colours. I rolled what was going to become the pipe around a cylinder of baking paper, which I baked that way, same method as before, and then secured it to the receiver. I found an MP3 file of the Super Mario theme online and was able to edit that and cut it down to a few bars using Audacity. Then I used a micro USB that I had lying around to connect the receiver to my laptop and uploaded the MP3 file that way. I also found that the receiver had a whole heap of other tunes on it, which are presumably funky cool. I don't know, I couldn't read the titles. Plugged it into the wall, changed the settings. Woohoo! And got ready to test it out with the help of my dog Moose. Yeah, hey Moose, we're gonna see if it works. Ready? Are you ready for this? Oh, okay. Dog's approval. Here we go. And... So yeah, please comment below if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, however you want to express yourself. Until next time, stay awesome.